Hi, my name is Anita Shankar and I'm the founder of Astu Eco. We make amazing, innovative, earth-friendly alternates for single-use plastics. So people have choices which are relevant to them so they can move into sustainable lifestyles. And how did I get into the space? Basically, I'm a nature lover, adventure sports lover. I've done a lot of trekking and many adventure sports from paragliding and bungee jumping and things like that. My favorite being our own Himalayas. And I come to Himalayas every year from the past 2 decades and have noticed how much of plastic we are capable of putting even in the most remote highlands in the Himalayas. And that is how we started Astu Eco. So we can come up with alternates and help people move into a more sustainable lifestyle. That's how we started. And today we have a range of more than 70 products which help people in their everyday lifestyles to move into sustainable products. So in terms of the products that we come up with, we have understood a typical garbage pile, what are the types of single-use plastic that comes. And we've taken the culprits, which are the 80% of the culprits in terms of single-use plastics, and come up with alternates under those. They're all innovative. We've also got some award-winning products, and I can talk about one of them right now. This is called as the tote scarf. And did you know that 40% of the time people forget to carry a reusable bag even if you're an eco-friendly person? And our focus is on helping the early adopters of sustainability and how can we help them continue on their journey. So this is a tote scarf, which is meant for people who tend to forget to carry a reusable bag, and I'm sure most of you identify with it. And this is a fashion accessory which can be worn as a scarf. It can be worn in multiple designs. You can wear it as a headband, handband, bag band, anything you want. But when you need it most, it converts into a bag which can take up to 5 kgs of weight. The beauty about this bag, it's a circular product. It's made from recycled PET bottles. PET bottles are collected, pelletized, converted into yarns and made beautiful fabrics. We've got designs to match any of your appetite in terms of your fashion requirement. They are functional products which work as a bag, but they are stylish accessories. So this is just one of our products in terms of how we help you come up with solutions to move to sustainable lifestyles. I'm so happy to be a part of IIM Kashipur Feed, and we are about 2 months into the program, and I see tremendous progress in terms of understanding my own business venture. What are the things that I can do better here? And I must say that I really like the range of people that they have introduced to us, including the professors here, where I feel they're definitely a lot more invested in making sure that we entrepreneurs succeed. And that's one reason I really like Feed. I know entrepreneurship is not an easy journey, but I do encourage our younger generation to give it a thought and see if that's an area that you would be interested in. There's a lot of great things that can come out of it in terms of learning, success, good name. But at the same time, it can be a harrowing journey. And with the right kind of partnerships and mentors, maybe like Feed, you might also turn up to be the next unicorn. So good luck to you guys.